Hello, my name is Sris. I'm an attorney in Virginia and I frequently handle reckless driving cases. Let's talk about what reckless driving is in Virginia. First and foremost, it is a criminal offense in Virginia, and the state troopers, the police officers, and sheriffs enforce this law very aggressively in Virginia. The law states that one is guilty of reckless driving for driving at a speed of 20 miles or more over the speed limit. You can also be charged and convicted of reckless driving if you drive at a speed over 80 miles per hour, regardless of the speed limit. Most type of cases in which you can be termed as guilty is usually the interstates of Virginia, where the speed limit is 70 miles an hour. And most people think, well, I'm only going 11 to 12 miles over the speed limit. Well, unfortunately, you're going 81 or 82 miles an hour. That's reckless driving in Virginia. That shocks a lot of people, both people who live in Virginia and out-of-state residents who drive through Virginia. Especially in certain areas of Virginia where the roads are rather wide open. You forget about the speed, you press the pedal a little too hard, and next thing you know, you're getting pulled over for reckless driving by speed in Virginia. If you've been charged with reckless driving in Virginia, contact my office immediately at 888-437-7747. Another type of reckless driving occurs when you have an accident. That can be covered under 46.2-852, which is the General Reckless Driving Statute, which states that if you endanger life, limb, or property, you can be convicted of reckless driving, or 46.2-853. That is the statute for accidents and reckless driving. Understand that if you are charged with reckless driving, you face a Class 1 misdemeanor. You do not want to be convicted of reckless driving simply because you lost control of your vehicle. There are defenses to these types of charges. One of them being that the road conditions lent itself to have an accident. So, if you have been charged with reckless driving, call my office and we can discuss your options. Other types of reckless driving is called reckless driving for passing on a grade or on a curve, driving with your view obstructed, passing two vehicles abreast, driving in a manner that is too fast for road conditions, passing at a railroad crossing, passing a stopped school bus. Now this is one of those things that happens very frequently. A lot of people are driving to work, thinking about their day at work, and they don't see the stop sign that the school bus has put out. They drive past it, they get pulled over by a police officer, and they're charged with reckless driving. Failure to yield is a reckless driving charge in Virginia. Driving recklessly on parking lots, such as doing donuts in parking lots. That's something that happens all the time. It usually happens with young drivers who are testing out their car. Police officer drives by and charges them with reckless driving. Understand that every case is different, and there are a lot of things an attorney can do to help defend you. And even if he can't get your case dismissed, he may very well be able to mitigate the charge and get it dropped to a lesser charge. For all these reasons, strongly get in touch with an attorney. I strongly urge you to get in touch with an attorney, and you can reach my office at 888-437-7747. Thank you.